if you are watching this, good morning. I decided today to pick up the camera and just start recording. I have not recorded anything in probably 2 months. And so me and the kids are at home pretty much all the time. And I get really bored, and so I thought, why not just film the day and show it to you. So that's pretty much what we're doing. We're not leaving today, we're just hanging out at the house. It's actually lunchtime now, and I am fixing the kids a hot dog and some veggies, and that's pretty much just our day. Days like today, I just try to keep up with housework and just keep the little kids from beating up each other. No, I'm just kidding. They love each other, but like all siblings, they have their moments. So anyways, the only thing really exciting today is I'm supposed to be getting my Boxycharm, so that'll be fun. I can show you what's in this month's box. It's almost 11:30 now, so yeah. How cute is this painting? I got this at Hobby Lobby, and I love all things like France and like Scotland. I love anything that has to do with those places, and I just thought it's actually pretty large, but I thought this was so cute. I love like the little cafe, and oh, is it not just the most prettiest thing? And I love how, like, in other countries like this, they have flowers that just randomly grow. I'm like, why can't people do that here? It's so beautiful. But yeah, Hobby Lobby, if you want one.
I know.
Good job. Hey, Archie. What are you doing?
A circus? A circus?
Yeah.
A fly. A fly. A fly. A fly. A fly.
Here. Do you have something you'd like to say? Hello. Oh. just one of them days where 2 cups of coffee is required. I think y'all all know what I mean. Yes? You made a mess. Look at all your crackers in the floor. You gonna build a house? Here.
A big house?
Yeah.
A big house. Did you build a big house? Oh.
She went and got herself blown up. Really cotton-handed with
A big house. No, my big house. No,
Hey, it's okay. Brother can build too.
A big house. A big house. A big big house. Hey! What did you do? What did you do? Oh. No, this. Hey,
Here, you build yours.
Big house. My big house. Hey,
Thank you.
Ready? A big house. A big house.
Thank you.
A big house. A big house. A big house. What kind you do? A big house.
I'm trying to build a house. And Landon keeps knocking it down.
A big house. A big house. A big house.
Okay. No. Alright, let's build the house. Okay.
It's Harry Potter.
Oh no. Oh no. Ready?
Wait a minute.
Nice crop, Mr. Potter. I can't believe
This is down. That's one mouse.
Harry Potter. God tell you how pleased I am to meet you.
Hello, Professor. I didn't see you there. Harry, this is Professor Quirrell. You're defense against the dark arts.
Baby, tear down.
Not that you
Yeah.
Lots to buy.
Okay, so it's actually the next day. I didn't end the video yesterday because I told you that I was going to show you my Boxycharm and it never came, but it came today. So, yay! If you do not know what Boxycharm is, it's just a makeup and skincare subscription box. I love it. I've gotten it for quite some time and it makes up probably 90% of all of my makeup is stuff that I have gotten in Boxycharm. I pay $25 a month and it comes with 5 to 6 full-sized items. It's always full size and it always retails for well over $100. So if you like makeup, it's a good idea. So anyway, let's see what we got. It always comes with a card that has like a theme on it, and then on the back it tells you what you've got in your box and the retail value, and it tells you like a description and all that good stuff. So the first thing that I see is face mask. I got 3 of them here. These are by ESW Beauty. This is a revitalizing, a moisturizing, and a pore control. And these retail for $18. So I'm gonna do this pretty quickly because my kids are, it's almost bedtime and they're, you know, in a mood. The second thing is this QMS Medi Cosmetics Active Glow Tinted Day Cream. This blew my mind away because this retails for $105. What? Yeah, and I paid $25 for the box. This right here, $105. Like, I just can't wrap my mind around that. So, it says it's lightweight sheer. It's a cream with vitamins, helps to blur imperfections and give you glowing skin. Super cool. The next thing I got is by Butter London. It's a Teddy Boy eyeshadow palette. So, and I would say, like, let's say that across the span of 20 Boxycharms, 18 of those will most likely have an eyeshadow palette. I have really got up the collection because a lot of eyeshadow palettes, they're expensive, and this is a way for me to kind of experience around with them. But this is so cute. What? It says looking good, darling. And the middle shade is called Billy, which is, this is weird. The middle shade is called Billy, which is my dad's name. And then this shade over here is called Archie, which is my dog's name. But these are like super pretty. Hello. You can see. Isn't that nice? What? And this retails for $28. Wow. So it's basically like I just paid for this and everything else is free. Yeah. I cannot wait to use those. I love Butter London. This eyeshadow palette says it's homage. It pays homage to the Teddy Boys of the 1950s British Underground. That's pretty cool. Anyway. I don't know how to say this brand. Aesthetica bronzer, I think is what it's called. Let's open it. Looks like this. Hello. And oh, that's really pretty. Also on Boxycharm you can do like a survey, or not really a survey, but this little quiz where you put in your skin tone and all that, and it helps them know what shades that they need to send to you. This is a really pretty bronzer. I cannot wait to try that out. And that retails for $24. Okay, last thing in the box is Clarins Paris Velvet Lip Perfector. I swatched this on the back of my hand earlier. This is in the shade 02 Velvet Rosewood. And it just looks like this. And you unscrew it, and it's got kind of like a soft brush type thing to where you squeeze it out. Let's just try it out, shall we? Yeah, you can like see it starting to come out. I like barely put any product. This is really neat because you could really control the amount that you want. You could have it look natural, really, or you could build it up. When I first saw this packaging, I thought that is too deep of a red, but it's really not, and it's really smooth. I really like it. Anyways, that was it for the Boxycharm this month, and I don't know what this adds up. Okay, so I added all this up and it retails for $201. What? I paid $25. This is probably one of my favorite boxes I've ever gotten. And I love the mask. Like, I cannot wait to try these out. I'll probably use one tonight. But anyway, that was it. I'm gonna go back in here with my kids. And yeah, I just wanted to share that before I ended the video because I was talking about it, but then my box never came, so. But anyways, thank you for spending the day with me. Hopefully I will not wait 2 months to pick up the camera again. And yeah, so go get you a Boxycharm if you like it, if that's your thing. Bye.